Hi there. In the previous lesson, I taught you some new words, okay? So I want to use them again in sentences in this lesson. That way you will remember them, all right? So this time I want to teach you how to say bring, which is later in Ndebele, okay? You want to be able to say bring that box, bring that sack, bring that fork, and the other items that we went through in Isfundo 11. Okay, so later means bring, and if you wanted to say bring here, you'd be like later lapha. Okay, later lapha. So let's get started with ibhokisi. Later ibhokisi means bring the box. Okay, however, if you want to say bring that box, you're talking about a particular box, then you'll say later ibhokisi lelo. Okay, that box. I hope it's making sense. And then ilije, bring a stone, later ilije. Bring that stone, later ilije lelo. All right. Isaga, remember? Isaga. Later isaga means bring the sack or bring a sack. Later isaga. Bring that sack, later isaga lelo. All right, it's where you're looking at the particular sack and you're saying, bring me that one. That's where you then add lelo. Okay. What is this one? Indishi, right? How would you say bring a dish? Later indishi. Bring that dish. Later indishi leyo. All right. And then isepa. Obviously, you're going to say later isepa. How will you say bring me that soap? Later isepa leyo. Moving on. Later ifolokwe. Bring a fork. How about bring that fork? Later ifolokwe leyo. Okay. And then we have isitina. So you're going to say later istina if you want to say bring a brick. And then later istina leso is bring that brick. All right. Similarly, later is stove, bring a stove, okay? Bring that stove. Later is stove leso. Making sense? And lastly, you want to say bring a container, bring a water container. You're going to say later is sigubhu. How about bring that container? Later is sigubhu leso. Awesome stuff. Okay. So my question for you is, where's Zwakala in? Is it making sense? Or are you understanding? All right. See you in the next lesson.